This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should open the Teams app and sign in now using your work, school, or Microsoft account. This is where your chats and meetings live. Once done, make sure to allow notifications so you don't miss messages and grant microphone and camera access for calls. You'll see a bottom navigation bar, chats, Teams, calendar, and a profile icon. Tap Profile to confirm your account and manage settings because correct permissions streamline every next step. You'll begin by joining Teams and starting chats. Tap Chats to search a person or group, then send a quick message and at mention to grab attention. Once part of a team, navigate channels to follow conversations and use threads to keep replies organized. This prevents lost context. If you need access, join with a team code or accept a link invitation. Also pin crucial chats or channels to the top so essential conversations stay visible when you meet, open Calendar to join or schedule. Tap Join, then choose camera and mic settings, mute when not speaking to reduce noise. You can share your screen or attach files. Saving to OneDrive ensures everyone accesses the latest version. If audio or video fail, first force close and reopen the app, check microphone and camera permissions, and verify your network connection. These simple checks resolve most problems. Finally, restart your device if issues persist and contact IT for persistent account errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.